Welcome back. You know what a Tuesday means. So with daylight savings this past weekend and the temperatures kind of starting to show us previews of spring, it is time to start talking about those spring trends. So here to talk about those latest spring makeup trends, our beauty expert, Christina. Christina, I feel like I haven't seen you in forever.
I know, but it's only been a week. How is that possible?
I have no idea. All right, the overall theme this season in terms of makeup is fill the blank.
We're actually seeing, I'm sure you're not surprised, a lot of natural looks, but also pops of color. On all of the socially distanced catwalks and digital platforms, we're seeing dewy skin, minimalist makeup, and then lipstick.
Okay, so I can definitely understand minimalism because we haven't really had a full face of makeup unless you do my job in forever. When's the last time you actually went out with a full face, a beat on your face these days?
Yeah, for me, it's just every Tuesday, so.
And you're not leaving. You're still in your house.
I'm still in my house. But right now, it's all about your skin, but better. So the focus is obviously very heavy on skincare. There's a lot of weightless foundations that are being released by cosmetic companies right now. Dewy balms and serums for a natural highlight. We're also seeing a lot of cream blush launches. It's all about creating a fresh flush and not just applying that blush to the cheeks, but lightly blending that excess to the nose, to the chin, to the forehead. And then also monochromatic looks created with all-purpose products. You're seeing a lot of creams that you can use for your cheeks, for your lips, and your lids, like the Live Tinted Hue Sticks. Some of the other products to look for to achieve these looks are Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover and Color Fix, Makeup by Mario's Master Secret Glow, Farsali's Liquid Glass Serum, which is one of my favorites, and then Melt Cosmetics just launched a new cream blush collection, and Becca Cosmetics, which you know is my favorite, they just launched their Light Shifter Dewy Skin Tint, which is beautiful.
That looks beautiful. So we've covered the face, and now, of course, the eyes and the lips.
So lips, we're seeing a lot of tinted lip balms. MAC Cosmetics just launched a beautiful collection, and lip stains, which are great when you're under a mask. But we're seeing a lot of light pinks and peaches. And then we're also seeing pops of color in vibrant reds and pinks. So you're actually on trend right now today with your look. And then for eyes, we're seeing graphic liner is still in. We're seeing a lot of black eyeliner, but still those washes of color that we had talked about. And then lots of spring-like pops of color on the lid in bold placements and also washes of color with cream lids or light shadows. So it's really a nice balance. The focus is more on natural skin, but we're still seeing that ability to have creative self-expression on our lips and our eyes, which I love.
I think this is great because we've become so used to using less in so many other aspects of our life that this makes total and complete sense.
Exactly.